The Dectite strip flashing is a 225mm wide EPDM compound that is available in 10m and 3.1m lengths. It is coloured for aesthetic purposes. What is very special about Dectite strip flashing is that both sides or edges encase an aluminium strip that can stretch up to 25% and still be fastened. In application, this means that any surface or substrate join can be sealed. The only consideration is the fastener and the sealant. The current dissimilar material problems are non-existent, and for the environmental conscious applications, the Dectite strip flashing and all the other Dectite products do not affect drinking water. Further, as the strip flashing is so flexible and pliable, it can be fitted to all manner of shapes, such as square ducts, round pipes, and many other various curved profiles. Here now are some installation tips. When flashing a square applications such as ducting, chimneys and skylights, all the principles remain the same. First cut the roof to suit the square penetration, then remove 150mm of ribs on the high side. Establish a flashing line, that is, where the strip flashing will join the penetration all around, and this flashing line should not exceed 75mm above the battens. Now use this line as your silicon application guide. It is safer to allow an excess of strip flashing in length of approximately 200 to 300mm for the overlap. This excess will reduce with your experience. The sequence of fastening the strips is top, bottom, then either side. Make sure you always fasten the stretched side last. When conforming the flashing to the roof profile, use only your hands to shape it into the sharp bends. Do not use metal or wooden tools. Apply sealant under the edge and fasten where applicable. Only on the corners, against the penetration, will it be necessary to stretch the top flashing line, and it should be pulled down and out of the way, located temporarily. Cut away bulk excess. Overlap the strip flashing corner and edge it with the metal strips provided. Complete by adding sealant against the strip flashing edge, forming a ramp. This will assist slow water flow. Remember, the golden rule is not to exceed 75mm up the penetration when flashing square shapes. One other point. Re-flashing problem areas, such as second-story extensions, can be handled in exactly the same method. 1 metre diameter, 10 metre diameter. The same principle applies. So there you have it. Our strip flashing for bullnose, parapet flashings, and quite a few other applications too, an all-in-one product. It remains flexible. It doesn't have the dissimilar problems that other materials do. It certainly doesn't cause any problems in drinking water. It comes in about 7 or 8 colours, and it can be fastened and sealed fairly readily. We're looking for new applications. You'll probably end up advising us that you found some. Let us know. We'll be interested.